Page 47, Girl on a Bicycle and Boy on a Bicycle. I'm going to cover both of these in this video. Basically, I mean, they could have combined these into one longer piece. They've split them up. Don't know why, but they did, so okay. They are the same thing, pretty much, not exactly, but pretty much, except the hands are reversed. For instance, on Girl on a Bicycle, the right hand gets these quarter notes, and you're starting out up here on C, and they're just quarter notes. Is 4/4 time? 4/4 time. And the left hand gets these whole notes down here, just hanging around, doing their tonic and dominant, tonic and dominant. We talked about this on the previous video. And that's pretty much Girl on a Bicycle. Then you get down to Boy on a Bicycle, and it's reversed. Now the left hand gets the fun, and the right hand gets the whole notes. Tonic and dominant, blah, blah, blah. And that's pretty much it for these pieces. I don't have a lot to say on these. They're medium loud, both of them, and that would be the quarter note. Whichever hand has the quarter notes, that's what we want to hear. Keep the other hand soft. We don't need that. I just don't have a lot to say on this because I talked about tonic and dominant on the previous video. Let's go ahead and play these. I'll count us in for each one. I'll give us 4 counts for Girl on a Bicycle, and then I'll give us 4 counts for Boy on a Bicycle. And we'll play them together. We need the practice of playing stuff, so let's just do that. So go ahead and put your hands in C position, but your right hand is up here in C position. Left hand's here. So they're a little further apart. I mean, you could get away with playing it down here, but the notes are written up here, so let's do it up here. And this is for both of the pieces now. The hands are in the same place. 1, 2, ready, go. Off. Boy on a Bicycle, hands are in the same position they were for Girl on a Bicycle. There's 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Three, 4,